OpenAI just dropped GPT-5, and it's making headlines as the most intelligent AI ever. Whether you're a developer, startup founder, enterprise leader, or just like futuristic tech, here's what you need to know about what makes GPT-5 a game changer. What's new in GPT-5? 3 model variants: GPT-5 for top-tier reasoning, coding, and agent-like tasks. Think AI running multi-step processes, not just chatting. GPT-5 Mini balances speed, cost, and power, great for chat and smart automation. GPT-5 Nano is your go-to for simple, ultra-fast, or massive workloads. API power-ups: minimal reasoning effort, verbosity control, custom tools. Grammar's allowed tools preambles. Safe completion training. This is OpenAI's new approach. Rather than blunt refusals on sensitive queries, GPT-5 guides users helpfully but safely, especially on potentially risky topics. Works for dual-use prompts where answers could be risky or harmless, giving nuanced, non-harmful guidance. This makes GPT-5 more helpful without increasing risk, a win for everyday and enterprise use. Mind-bending context capabilities. GPT-5 supports up to 400,000 tokens in context. That's basically hundreds of pages, more than enough to analyze massive code bases, mountain-sized contracts, or massive data sets without losing the thread. This means you can ask GPT-5 to process, recall, and work with projects that used to be impossible for AI in one go. How GPT-5 outperforms previous models. Coding: TOPS SWE Bench verified 74.9%, and AIDR Polyglot 88%, with fewer tokens and tool calls. It's faster, less wordy, and makes fewer errors. Real world: can debug, edit, and even spot tricky multi-step bugs across large code bases. Devs at Cursor and Vercel love it. Instruction: following reasoning. Huge improvement on benchmarks for multi-step, multi-turn conversations. Better at constrained text tasks, almost perfect in head-to-heads. Tool usage. GPT-5 reliably chains dozens of tools, with vastly improved error handling. Telecom tests went from 58% of 3 to nearly 97%. Long context leads in 250K token benchmarks for reasoning and accuracy. Hallucinations are way down, with factual error rates cut by up to 80% over older models. Safety. When it comes to risky or ambiguous prompts, GPT-5 provides high-level guidance rather than just refusing. Preferred by engineers, 70% of front-end engineers in tests picked GPT-5 for producing beautiful, functional code. Think landing pages, complete with design and interactivity. New features: how it looks in action, minimal reasoning effort, perfect for devs who want concise answers fast. Verbosity control: get your answer quick and short, or long and detailed with explanations. Custom allowed tools: limit GPT-5 to only certain APIs, making it predictable for compliance-heavy industries. Preambles: GPT-5 tells you what it's about to do. Transparency equals to trust. Real-world use cases: who benefits developers, fixes bugs, auto-generates code, migrates databases, translates prompts into exact SQL. Less time, fewer headaches. Enterprises: seamless agentic automation for multi-step processes, customer service, supply chain, analytics. Safe completion means you can automate more without worrying about AI goofs. Startups: affordable via GPT-5 Mini or Nano, power and flexibility without blowing the budget. Front-end engineers: generate landing pages, design systems, and full interactive apps from one prompt. End users get smarter answers with fewer mistakes, thanks to GPT-5 chat and powerful thinking models working behind the scenes, plus it remembers your context. Where can you tap into it? Through the OpenAI API for responses, chat, and coding tools, or via Microsoft services like GitHub Copilot and Azure AI. OpenAI's got step-by-step guides to help you move from older models to the GPT-5 version that fits you best. Safety, ethics, and trust. Rigorous bias checks, safer handling of sensitive prompts, and strong default privacy controls make GPT-5 a leadership pick for ethical AI deployment in business, research, and life. Top GPT-5 queries. Let's answer your biggest questions. How do I access GPT-5? GPT-5 is available directly in ChatGPT for all users, including those on the free tier, immediately after launch. Simply go to chat.openai.com, login, and GPT-5 will be the default model. Paid users Plus, Pro, Team, and Enterprise get higher priority access and higher usage caps. When was GPT-5 released, and is it available now? GPT-5 launched on August 7, 2025, and is already live for both free and paid users of ChatGPT. How to get ChatGPT-5 or upgrade to it. No special upgrade is needed, just access ChatGPT via the website or the official mobile app. Pricing for GPT-5 API varies by model. GPT-5 1.25 per million input tokens, $10 per million output tokens. GPT-5 Mini, 0.25 to 0.40 per million tokens, optimized for balance. GPT-5 Nano, as low as 0.05 per million input tokens and 0.40 per million output tokens, ideal for simple, high-volume tasks. I can't access GPT-5, what should I do? Possible reasons: high demand periods might introduce usage caps for free users, reverting your session to an earlier, lighter model. Paid plans have enhanced priority and higher prompt limits. If you're in Microsoft 365 or GitHub Copilot, GPT-5 is available as a selectable model, but your organization may need to enable it in admin settings. Always ensure you're using the latest version of the ChatGPT website or app, and check OpenAI's status page for any rollout or downtime notices. Whether you're building apps, automating workflows, or just exploring the frontier of AI, this is the model to watch. Subscribe for deep dives, demos, and real-world case studies with GPT-5. Drop your toughest AI challenge in the comments.